hands on deck.
2009-2010 District Governor Bill Hopper invites you to the Rotary District 5010 Assembly and Conference. May 13th through 16th, 2010.
2010?
At the Hotel Captain Cook in Anchorage.
Why? There are many wonderful, fantastic, incredible reasons to attend. Why, with over 2,000 Rotarians in the district alone, and with each one having at least a score of reasons to attend. Why, that's more reasons than anyone has ever counted before. I mean, that's a number so high that history's greatest mathematicians may never be. 10. Fine. The top 10 reasons to attend the conference.
Number 10.
It's in a city very near to Alaska.
Number 9.
Don't cook. Stay at the Cook.
Number 8.
May 13 through 16, 2010. Too late to ski. Too early to fish.
Number 7.
Because important people want to meet you.
Number 6.
Inspiration.
Number 5.
Parties in your room. Parties in other people's rooms. Parties in the DG's room.
Number 4.
What if there were an award and no one there to receive it? Would it still be awarded?
Number 3.
Learn. Share. Enjoy. Wait, that's 3 together. I don't think you can do that.
Number 2.
2 words. Door prizes. And the number 1 reason to attend this year's conference is... all hands on deck for Bill Hopper. A captain is nothing without his mates. Please show your support by attending the conference at the Hotel Captain Cook. May 13th through 16th, 2010. Register before the end of the year and get the special early bird discount.
We'll see you there.